All right. I'm hoping. I'm praying. This is actually the configuration I would use if I was transmitting off the back of the boat. And I have 22 minutes till the market open. So my charts are up, and that looks good. I got an excellent connection, and that looks good. Let's see how long this lasts. If anybody's out there, maybe you can give me some feedback. Let me know if you can hear me, if you could see me. I don't want to be pushing too many buttons over here and compromise. I'm not seeing any image. I'm not hearing from anybody. Oh, looks like my stream cut out again. Hey, Tommy, can you hear me? Okay, I'm starting to see some charts. Boy, I don't know what's going on. I've got red lights over here, but I have excellent connection, so it says. I'm hoping you could see me. That moved quickly. Mm, 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 mm. 210. Yeah, still up and sounding good. All right. I think there's a slight delay, but that may be normal. Man, I don't know what normal is. This is the new normal. Okay, we're gonna go with this. The OBS is all right. Well, I guess you guys don't really want to hear all of that nonsense. Um, I'm just gonna keep going, and unless I see it's not working. I still need a little more understanding of how the signal is sent. And where I've got to do my tweaking. I think I'm getting a slight understanding of this. Okay, I need like 406. All right, I think there's a slight delay. That's normal. I'm a normal guy. 9:14. Man, I don't want to do this. I want to enjoy the market. I want to get busy and get excited about what's happening trading. And I'm sitting here wasting my time with this technical stuff. See, I'm on what I would use to be real remote, and it's actually, I mean, it's somewhat random, but there are moments that it looks like it's working out for us. So anyway, I'm just going to look at the market and talk about the market and not look at this thing. So I won't know if you guys see me or not, but I'm going to try to have a real good time. It's telling me I have a good connection. I'm going to go with it. So anyway, yeah, you know, more opportunity to hit that like button. I mean, I don't know how many times you could hit the subscribe button. Don't hit it again because you'll unsubscribe, and we certainly don't want that. Okay, so we talked about the head and shoulders, and I think I got you clear on that. So really, we're just waiting for the market to start pumping, and I'm gonna work through the night again and see if I could resolve this and get something that's a little more consistent. I mean, I'm not even certain. I haven't even tested what I'm doing now. I lowered the bit rate. How's it look? Is it blurry? All right, I'm getting some feedback that it looks pretty good. Nothing even going on. Nothing going on in the pre-market. Tesla's up $3. Amazon's up $3. Apple's up 16 cents. Just nothing really going on. I'm gonna knock these meme stocks out of the way and just look at Microsoft. Microsoft's up 3 cents. Yeah, man, it's gonna be a sleepy, sleepy day. It'll be a good day. If I can keep this stream going, it'll be a good day to do another kind of enlightenment session. It's clear on my end. Thank you, producer 717. So hopefully Hopefully we got this thing figured out, but I don't know how long this is going to last. We're going to have to watch that. I got reds over here. I don't know what that red even is an indicator of. I'm not going to try to figure that out either. Whatever I did is working, so they say. See how much data I use up here. That's what I have to watch. All right, so if this is the manner in which we're going to stream, we're going to actually even start at 9 o'clock tomorrow. Do the wrap up in the first, or the opening meeting in the first half hour, and then get right to it, because data is a resource under these circumstances. Mr. Williams, Mr. Williams. Oh, Anthony, he hasn't popped up today either. So, what do you do for a living, Mr. Williams? Oh, oh, you're an IT guy. Ah, software patching. Yeah, I got you. How long you been doing that? 2 or 3 in your current position. So I guess you have me on playing in the background. You're working right now. Well, we have 5 minutes to the open. You go back and watch it later. Wow, sit through like 9 hours. Well, we're going to try to separate all the little learning sessions that we do, so that it's easy to access. All right, we got 1 minute to market open. We have a big 30-minute bar from yesterday, so we're probably going to open right around the close, but I wouldn't be surprised if we retraced a little bit and made a bull flag. Here we go. I'm going to be very interested to see how we stream once I start getting data um, to the charts. And there we go. We're open. Up a fraction of the point for the day. Oh, turned around. Look at that. We're making the consolidation. 1, 2, 3. And that's good. I'll take that. I don't mind a little bit of a consolidation, maybe for an hour or two. And a breakout around 10:30. Wow. Amazon was up the whole time in the pre-market, opened up down 3. Tesla's up $1.75. Microsoft's down, Apple's down, just turning around right now. The composite's up 8, Reuters, the Russell 2000's up 7, and the Dow is down 42. Yeah, I'm feeling a very, very easygoing day. So we're going to let things churn around a little bit. And see what we get. I'm just watching the market right now, trying to get a feel for what it's going to do. Looks like it made that consolidation. Looks like it's retracing that whole move that we made in the last 30 minutes yesterday. Today's Monday, on Friday. Amazon made a little bit of a bounce. Tesla's trading off, and the financials are pulling back a little bit, and energy's pulling back a little, but everything opened up. Getting controversy here. Yeah, that baby's making a pretty steady move down. Already down. Yeah, is AMC up and running? No, it ain't be weird. Yeah, AMC is up $4. Look at that. Oh, Tesla. Yeah, it looks like that might have been the sell-off of the day right there. Although the S&P on the 30-second is still looking rather downish. The 1 minute still bearish. 2 minute momentum is still bearish. The 5 minute still bearish. Big bar down too. We shall see what shows. If you guys have the opportunity, hit that like for me, would you? It goes a long way. Make the YouTube people happy. Are you in AMC, Tommy? Yeah, I'm not going to get a buck on that, that's for sure. Mm-hmm. 30 shares? All right, good. That can't kill you. Might get to enjoy it. Oh, it looks like that one is turning around. I think the market's a little heavy today. I'm actually looking at the daily on AMC, and looks like the daily momentum is turning positive. It'll be encouraging until it breaks the previous high, which is 72.62, and your risk is breaking the pivot low, and that's 39.71. You want it to stay above there, but again, you know you have that gap below you, so it's going to be interesting what it does around that gap, and if it will afford you an opportunity. Oh, come on, don't! I want you to pull back a little more, S&P. Give me a little more down, just a little more down. 30-minute momentum still looks positive. 60-minute momentum kind of trending up. And the daily momentum is just flat. Be nice if it pushed down and gave us a nice long tail. This is actually pretty good hem. Well, I guess we went over it this morning. Right here, you have that nice long tail. You get that 1/3 size buy. Another one. It would be if it tested that and it closed on another hammer. That would be very encouraging. Down the S&P 500. But again, like I said, I'm not really expecting too much to go on because we have the Fed talking Wednesday, and it always seems these Feds are talking. But Wednesday is a rate hike decision. Then they go before the House, they go before Congress. So anyway, they're talking to the lawmakers, and that's just going to make everybody sit on the sidelines and wait for it to come to fruition. So I'm looking at a reverse trend, and actually this would be our next lesson plan. And these are the trends that are the best to play. These reverse macro trends. You don't really want to see it move higher, but there's never a perfect scenario. So you stay within the spirit of the trade. But it breaks this low, at around 42.40, 55, it's a good indication that it would push down continually or continue that move down. But right now, Amazon is popping up. You can see in the upper left-hand corner, and Tesla's holding its gains. So that's a pretty positive indication. So again, until the Fed speak before the House and the Senate, I don't think you're going to see a lot of just a lot of range-bound consolidation. And you can see how those clouds work as a resistance. So it's kind of following the pattern of the cloud. So it gives you good perspective. I'm looking at the 1 minute, and it looks like you might hold on a. I mean, there are many names for this: hanging man, shooting star, where my cursor is. Shooting star really has a gap on both sides, so or a dragonfly. So whether a hanging man or a dragonfly, I know those two terms are consistently used. It would trigger once it breaks the low of the hanging man and dragonfly. And there it goes, broke the low. No, it's trading. It's hitting a little resistance at this period EMA, and if it breaks, it may make another test for that low. I would like to, but you can on the 1 minute, the multiple kind of heading up. Looks like nobody knows what to do with the market today. And we're into it almost a half hour. We could put I'm gonna snatch this line right here on the 30-minute chart and just call that my opening range high. It's like we're gonna be up there in the next 15 minutes. Although Amazon is screaming. See, now if we were focused, we could have taken a break of the high in the open, and we got 48. Oh man, there's like 20 points. We could have picked up 10 points. Oh, that's perfect. Trend reversal right there. You can see the momentum change. I mean, a good entry would have been at the 345. Aggressive entry would have been at the 341. Oh, what a shame, man. I'm just too distracted with the stream software. I need to get that right. It's getting in my pocket. Do I have any 4 trends open? Yeah, 10 for 5 right there. Getting a little congested. Nope, there she goes, sticking off. Time it. But we can call that the low. Financials just keep selling off. We're down 9 on the financials. Energy's holding its gains, but it looks like it's putting in a double top. Momentum's fed. This is very interesting because Amazon's got energy. Tesla's up 11 and holding the gains. And AMC's hanging on to its gains for the day. And Apple's up a buck. And S&P down. Composite's up 42, which is really no big deal. It looks like it's pushing higher. This is probably the turnaround for the S&P, but I don't see an entry. I'm looking at a bull flag on the 1 minute. Bull flag just triggered on 1 minute. Hasn't made the looking at the pivot high. Looks like it's giving the shot goes just taking off. I didn't take that trade because we're actually trading inside this range. So I mean, nice strong bars. This is a 2 minute, but I'd like to see it if it retests this 42, 48 and it consolidates a little bit. I'll probably look to go long that. That would be a good indication that it's going to make a move. Here's the first bear flag. Looks like it's not first bear flag. That's a pretty aggressive pullback, though. I would question it. Looks like the momentum's tapering off if you look at the ACD. This flag was looking for a boss, so we didn't really miss anything there. Kind of said that I'm under. Yeah, it's pretty heavy retrace. That's why I didn't want to tap flag, because like I said, we're trading in this range right here. And there's usually, I mean, it's just a congestion. If you're breaking out of here, it doesn't move one up, nothing leading in the way. But you know, trading inside these sort of things doesn't make a very good run. Here in the background, oh well, you know what? I don't really want to say that. There's a train that runs on the side of the river because there's no obstruction. The sound comes right up. It's really nice. It's an old diesel. It's quite reasonable. We're testing that line, breaking the trend line. We'll probably see it make another move to the low. How much we have? So if there's anything to capture and trade. Now you have $2 in that trade. Probably wait for it to break the low and take it through there. We'll see what happens if it breaks city's low. Yeah, it's just range bound stuff. It's so boring. Oh, what do you got? Hey, Anthony. Crappy internet today? Oh, to say the least, man. We're trying a new venue. There it goes. You could get a train that's going around the other side of the mountain. It usually blows its horn down there. So anyway, my stream, there it goes. It broke that low. It did it actually on a bear flag and it's pushing down. It's only got 2 points for it before it tests that bottom, that low. It's not even that aggressive. It's just growing its way down. I think we're just going to see a very choppy market today. I wouldn't mind a wee bit of move down today, though. There's volume on any of these options here. Yeah, I think this is just a compound of error with my stream here. So, yeah, you know, somewhat questionable internet, somewhat questionable hardware, but we're just going to knock one problem at a time. I'm actually a stream I would use remotely, and it's very effective. We're testing that bottom again. The 1 minute looks very bearish. The 2 minute looks pretty bearish. And the 5 minute is beginning a downtrend on the momentum. We just bounced off of that. We have a nice bear flag setting up on the 2 minute. But, I mean, it's a yellow. It could blow. Here's a 2 minute rate. Here's the bear flag all the way down, bear flag all the way down, and return. So that's getting aggressive. The 30 minute, we could either less because of the trend line. Let's see if it's around here. Yeah, looks like it might be a last kiss. If it breaks the low, if it breaks the low of previous bar, we could enter. And I think I'm going to try this with 2 contracts. Oh, it's going the other way. Where we at? I'm looking at 2040s, and I'm going to do them on for the 14th for today expiration. Now I'm going to enter on the break of this bar right here. Still looking at the 2440s. I'm going to enter on the break of the 4175. I didn't enter yet. Can I trigger? Yeah, I did trigger. Nah. It's too choppy. Is it a bluff? Is it a bluff? Alright, if it breaks this low, I still think I might take before I enter. The momentum on 2 minute, kind of choppy. Instead of minute on bar. 1 minute bar looks like it's turning around a little bit. Although I am getting some top tails on the 1 minute. The good news is options are just getting cheaper. Look like my stream keeps going back and forth. Looking at poor stream, excellent stream. Yeah, big trade. Here she goes. Come on, push down. Got my stop right up at 42, 44. Looks like the 1 minute is still kind of negative. 2 minute looks like it could turn negative. Keep pushing down. Come on, push down. What do we got? Composites fighting us. Financials might be making bottom. Come on, at least test that low. A lot of work for 2 points. $10. Yeah, composites just grind. Ah, yes, ain't fanny. All right, I'm out. Did I get hit? Nope, I'm not hit yet. Hit me out. Oh, look at that. It turned around, went my direction. That was a head fake. There you go. I'm moving my stop to break even. So choppy. I feel like it's going to get thrown back in my face this trade. Oh, she's pushing. She's pushing. Oh, there she goes. All right, I'm going to take a third off at this point right here. And I think a buck on a third of my entry. My stop's at a break even, which is 41.67. So if I see that, I'm going to enter the order. I got lucky on the trade because they didn't hit me. Went back in my face. Oh, and there she goes. Holla. Let's see if we can get a target. Come on. I hope you guys can hear me because we're in the middle of a trade. Oh, I missed that. I'm taking another one off right here. I'm 2/3 out of the trade. I'm going to let this one run. Touching that 60. I'm bringing my stop down right to the 240 mark, 240.81. We're at 61% retrace. If you're looking at, if you could see my 30-minute chart, it's at 61.8% retrace, bouncing off of that. But my 1 minute still looks very negative, although it's still in a hammer. Oh yeah, keep going. Go baby, go baby, go. Oh. That's a pretty good retrace. All right, I'm in that. Not a whole lot going on. Looks like the 1 minute momentum might be flattening out right here. The 30-second momentum could be making it from reversal. We'll see. I like the way we bounced off that 61. That's a good way to stop day. I mean, there's no reason why you can't turn around right here. It's a little early in the day though for a turnaround. It looks like the composite's trading off. What time? 10:05, and we broke open range. Which that would be a good entry right there. I'm gonna still kiss on the opening range. All right, good thinking. If you're not awake enough to take trade, you don't take trade. But breaking that low, you can take it again. I'm still in trade. I'm actually moving my stop right down to here. I just have 1/3 of my position still on, and I'm moving my stop right here. I entered at the 160 cent. So I got three bones. Not a whole lot of money in this move, but it's getting better. Damn, didn't move me. That's a big evolving bar on the 60. See the bar on 60? That's pretty intimidating. It's called an engulfing bar because you do the body beam bar, and here's the wick of the bar. That's a high degree bar. And then we opened up here, and it came all the way down, and we broke the closing 90. And we have 23 minutes before that closes. But if that closes and looks like this, that's very aggressive. I'll see a nice tail in this indication that the pattern. The momentum doesn't look bad, but we are putting a lower high. Oh, and there we go. Under from the test 32. It's only another 4 points away. You can see pretty second drop that last kiss. That's always a nice entry. We move my stop right down to the 39. See if this bad boy turns around on us. Oh, what on earth happened here? Oh yeah, we're crashing all over the place.